In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate between different workspaces in Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's jump right in. Slack is a fantastic tool for collaboration, and one of its features is the ability to switch between multiple workspaces, making it easier for you to manage different projects or teams. First, let's talk about how to switch to an existing workspace. Look at the top left corner of your Slack application dashboard. You should see your current workspace listed, along with any other available workspaces. You might notice an icon or the name of the alternative workspace you want to enter. All you need to do is click on that icon or name. Voila! Slack will immediately switch you to that workspace. It's as simple as that. And if you ever want to navigate back to your previous workspace, you can use the same method again. Just click on the icon or name of the original workspace and you're back where you started. So this switching is pretty seamless and really user-friendly. Now, what if you need to add or create a new workspace? Don't worry, Slack makes this pretty straightforward too. Look directly below your currently listed workspaces, and you should see an option that says Add a Workspace. Click on that. Once you click that, you'll be prompted with a couple of options. Here, you can choose to either find and sign into an existing workspace, or if you're feeling adventurous, you can create a brand new workspace from scratch. If you choose to find an existing workspace, Slack will guide you through the login process, prompting you for the relevant details like your email and password. On the other hand, if you opt to create a new workspace, you'll be taken through a series of steps to set everything up. This includes naming your workspace, inviting team members, and setting preferences tailored to your brand or project needs. One important thing to note while doing all this is that Slack allows you to customize each workspace's settings, including the name, logo, and channels, so everything can have its unique feel. Think about what you need from each workspace as you're switching or creating new ones. Are you collaborating with a different group? Is this workspace for a specific project? Clarifying that can help you keep everything organized and ensure that you can easily find what you need when you need it. To sum it all up, switching between workspaces in Slack is super easy and can be done in just a few clicks. Whether you're toggling between existing workspaces or creating a new one, Slack is designed to handle your collaboration needs seamlessly. So that's it for today's video. I hope you found this guide helpful in understanding how to navigate Slack workspaces. If you enjoyed it or learned something new, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe.